I'm Sheila Pope. It's Wednesday and we're here for our weekly chat. I want to take a couple of minutes to remind you that as of January 1st, 2011, a new California carbon monoxide safety law became effective. Carbon monoxide detectors must be installed in all detached 1 and 2 family dwellings, condos, and townhouses that contain fossil fuel heating and appliances, sometimes fireplaces, or attached garages. Commercial buildings such as group homes, most assisted living facilities, adult and child daycare facilities, dorms, apartments, hotels, motels, and boarding houses are included under the law. This law states that CO detectors must be installed outside each sleeping area in the immediate area. Beginning January 1st, 2013, multifamily dwellings will be included in the law. This is for your safety. CO is known as the silent killer because it's odorless. Don't put your life or the life of the people you love in jeopardy. Make sure you have installed the detectors in your property. And remember, it's the law. See you next week.